Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can go ahead and add a business on Google Maps. So for example, let's just say in your local area there is a new opening of a new business and it's not on the Google Maps. So how do you go ahead and add the business on Google Maps? So that is exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video. So it's going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. So feel free to watch the video till the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your maps. Once you have done that, in order for you to go ahead and add a business, all you're going to do is simply on the bottom right there is going to be a small tab which says contribute. Simply tap on contribute. Once you have done that, all you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on add place right here. And now here you go, here is a form that you can simply fill up. So in the category, if it is a business, as you can see, it is right over here. So food and drinks, shopping, services, hotel, lodging, outdoors and recreation, religion, office, anything. You can simply go ahead and choose a business on the category as well. As you can see, nightclub, soup kitchen, supermarket, let's just say a ice cream shop, right? So there are many other things that you have to put in. So for example, there's a place name that just you add in there, and then there is going to be a address that you have to simply go ahead and add right over here. Let's just say there, and then located within, you can simply go ahead and choose a nearby places. So it's as simple as that, and after you have done that, you can simply just submit right over here. I'm not gonna do that because I was just adding random stuff. So you can even add in hours they are going to be open for. You can even add contact, website, opening date, and many more. You can even add photos of the place. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.